don't give priority for your schedule. Listen very carefully, friends. Don't give priority for your schedule. For your schedule. Make your priorities as a schedule. Ah, how much difference is there in these two lines? Don't give priority for your schedule. Make your priorities as a schedule. So means that while planning the plan in your schedule, priority activities should be there, man. Those priorities should become a schedule. Okay, your schedule, okay, I plan for 10 things. That's why I'm giving the importance for 10 things, like don't do that. Do you know one wonderful point I'm going to use the word here? Do you know Mahabharata?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know, right? Mahabharata, wonderful point.
Yes, sir.
The Bhishmacharya. Bhishmacharya. You know, right? Bhishmacharya. Okay. So almost he's the grandfather for all these people, for all the Kauravas, Pandavas. Grandfather
Grandfather.
only. Okay, grandfather. Satyavati Devi. Satyavati Devi and Shantanu Maharaj. Satyavati Devi, Shantanu Maharaj are, okay, parents of Bhishma. Of course, mother is the different anyway. Father is the Shantanu Maharaj. And then for Shantanu, okay, there are two kids. Of Vedavyas is also kid of what we call Satyavati Devi only. Vedavyasa. Like Vichitra Viridu. Like there are some people are there, some sons are there. For the Vichitra Viridu, just after marriage, immediately that person is going to be died. Then through some way, the three members are going to be born with the help of Vedavyasa. So Panduraju, the king of the Panduraju. The second one is Dhritarashtra. The third one is Mantri, minister in that. Okay, Vidurudu, like Vidurudu, like there are three kids. For next generation is Kauravas and Pandavas. Okay, Kauravas and Pandavas means for the Kauravas and Pandavas, he is the grandfather. Bhishma is the grandfather. Then in the war, high speed is going on. Bhishma is which side? Kaurava side or Pandava side in the war?
Kaurava.
Kaurava side, Bhishma. Then Sri Krishna approached Bhishma. Bhishma, as long as you are there, then Dharmam can't win. Okay, you stand as a wall. You are the big obstacle for the Pandavas win. You are doing fight against the Dharma. Can you please die? We have to kill you. Tell the way. Okay, like he's going to tell. He's going to ask something. Some discussion is happening between Krishna and like this person. Yeah, you are the very worst person. Like Sri Krishna is telling, is blaming like anything. This Bhishma, you are the very worst person. Because of you only, all these problems came into the picture. You are such a type of worst person. Like he blamed like anything in that Mahabharata war. Blamed like anything the Bhishma, Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna blamed the Bhishma. Then Bhishma told, don't blame me. Don't blame me. I'm always strict to my word. I'm always strict to my word. I'm the person who gave importance for my parents. I'm the person, if I give the word just because of my word only, I'm always strict up to this, to the Dhritarashtra side or Duryodhana side. I'm the best person. Don't blame me like that. Then Sri Krishna is going to use the word. You are telling, you gave, I'm the person who consider my father as a god. That's why I left this kingdom, I mean, the power, all these things. I hand over to the next generation like, Arey, your father is important or lakhs of people, happiness is important. You are the most selfish person. Just because of your father, lakhs of people in the kingdom got struggle like anything. Got struggle like anything. You know? So you are feeling that I'm the strict, I stick to my word. I'm always respecting my parents like because of that bloody respect. Lakhs of people got struggled. Like next, so he left his position and he handed over that for the sons of Shantanu. Those for the sons of Satyavati Devi. Those sons are very worst. The people struggle like anything, man. Like so, just you are telling I give importance for my father, but is that meaningful? Lakhs of people got struggled. Like this person is asking like anything, man. Anything. At last, Bhishma identified that. Yes, I did the bigger mistake. I thought that I strict to my word. If you strict to your word, okay? తెలుగులో చెప్తా ధర్మం కోసం కొంచెం అధర్మం చేయటం తప్పలేదు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ధర్మ సేక్, ఓకే, you can do some adharma. There is no wrong in that. There is no wrong in that. But you strict to dharma, you caused multiple, you are the eyewitness for multiple distractions, multiple problems. You are not in a position to do anything. What is the use of your following the word, your following dharma? What you mean? Like then at last Bhishma got realized, Bhishmacharya got realized, okay, I want to go for die. Because Bhishma having some one golden varam, what is the word, English word, I don't know. He has whenever you want to die, then only he's going to die. Whenever you want to die, then only he's going to die. Then automatically Bhishma is going to tell, better to bring Shikandi. If the Shikandi is there, then I want to do the war fighting kind of thing. Then you can kill me. Like by showing Shikandi in front of him, and then they killed this person. Remember the point. So here, what is the the point here is linked point here is okay. So it's the most valuable. He's always feeling that. Okay, I strict to my schedule. Like okay, strict to my schedule, strict to my word. Like that is not important, man. Make your priorities as your schedule. Make your priorities as your schedule. That thing is very, very important. Okay, which things are really required, better to plan that. Okay, but so just I require to plan. Once I decided the plan, that is the final. Don't keep such a type of thing. So make your priorities. As your schedule. Don't feel schedule is your priority. There is a bigger difference there between these two lines. Observe the point clearly. Yes, friends, are you getting the difference?
Yes.
Are you getting the difference? Don't give the priority for your schedule. Don't give the priority for your schedule. Make your priorities as schedule. Means high level activities only better to make in the schedule. So Bhishma is always telling, strict to my word. What is the use of strict into the word? N number of problems came. Okay, you have to think about, just like a king means welfare must be required. Next, that total ancestor, everyone should be respected. The people should be excellent ruling must be required. But all those things is not there. But this person is strict to my word. Like, what is the use? I'm strict to my schedule. I'm very strict to my schedule. Your schedule without having the priorities, what is the meaning of your schedule?